Have you ever wondered how life would be like if you could learn a range of complex skills in a short period of time and still give quality impact? Welcome to iUnderstand Agriculture, where users are brought into a virtual farmland to understand the basic use of farm tools. They are taught how to operate advanced mechanized farm equipment and get to learn various cycles of agricultural production. We believe that this project will inspire more people to go into agriculture. Enjoy.
Hello, my name is Onyinye, representing Total View Media.
Hello there, I'm Albright.
I and my team have created a VR solution to improve people's interest in the agri sector. According to the United Nations, over 800 million people have suffered from starvation, from food insecurity, and from poverty due to lack of food infrastructure.
And the aim of this project is to educate people on the use of modern tools and also to simulate the farmland scenario where people would just be as if they are on the farm and they would have that immersive experience of farming. And we also aim at educating the cultivation cycles of all these agricultural projects. We believe that this project will inspire more people to go into agriculture and increase food production as a fulfillment to the SDG goals and generally reduce hunger.